Hi there, welcome to the Beamerist. My name is Maria, and today we are going to continue with adding grids and levels to the Revit model. In the last video, we inserted the CAD file into Revit. The next step will be adding grids, which will be the project's reference, and then levels. By default, you will find already created a level 1 and 2, but later we will adjust them. To start adding grids, go to Architecture. On the Datum tab, click on Grid. For every element we create, this modified tab will show. In this case, you can create a linear grid, an arc, or you can also pick a line to create a grid form. That is what we are going to do now. Let's click for number 1. The most important thing once created a grid is to pin it. That way, we will avoid dragging them accidentally. As you can see, next to the line, there is a blue 3D element. It is actually a button. You can leave it that way or change it to 2D by clicking it. As the grid is a 3D element, we can click these corner points to extend its length on the project, or we can switch it to 2D to adapt its length for a view-specific purpose. With all the grids placed and pinned, let's continue with the levels. You may see that on this floor plan, the level option is grayed out. But let's make a section and see what happened. Go to View, click on Section, and click to create a section this way. To open it, you can just select and right-click on it, and on this window, click Go to View. Another option is go into the project browser and find it on the section's view type. On this section view, you may see the grids we have just created and the levels by default I mentioned before. You can have as many levels as you need. On this video, I will show you how to change the values of the levels and how to create a new one. I will keep the level 1 to 0 as we usually want to keep the ground floor as 0. And I will change this 4000 to 3 by simply typing here. Please bear in mind that you can also change it from the Properties palette as well. And same as the grids, first you might want to pin them and rename them as required. If I change this name, this window will open. It is asking if you want to change it in the entire project, meaning all views. If you click yes, you will see that all the views related with that level will change its name accordingly as we just changed the level's name. But if we change it and click no, the level's name will change only on this view. Another thing to notice is that levels are 3D elements as well, and we also can change it to 2D to adjust its length. Now, to create another level, if you see on the Datum tab, it is not grayed out anymore. So we can click and simply drag it. Notice that a new floor plan has instantly been created for all the available categories: structural plans, floor plans, and ceiling plans. One more thing about levels is that we can make it longer or shorter, and this box will hide or unhide the level's name. If it is on the 3D option, it will change on the entire project. If it is on 2D, it will change only on this view. Alright, that will be a quick introduction for adding grids and levels. Comment below if you have any question on this regard. Please subscribe and see you on my next video.